Hi, this is a complementary presentation of Model 2, determination of salary. So in this presentation, we are going to cover the following topics: remuneration and its components, compensation administration process, wage and salary administration, and different types of rewards. First of all, we need to understand the definition of remuneration, which is a general term covering the monetary and related entitlements of employees paid by the employer in return for the work of employees. So, the remuneration component consists of financial and non-financial. From the financial perspective, we have the hourly and monthly rate wages and salary. We have the incentive individual plans or group plans, and we have fringe benefits such as gratuity, medical care, accident relief, health, and group insurance. Now, the perquisites, we have company car, club membership, for example, paid holidays, stock option scheme, or work from home format. Now, the non-financial has to do more with motivation. So, the employee must find a challenging job as a reward, the responsibility as well, the recognition, the growth, the opportunity for growth, supervision working conditions, and job sharing as well. Now, let's understand the process. The administration process of a remuneration begins with a job analysis accompanied with the job description and job specification. So, these two tools can let us understand where we are right now. So we need to conduct a job evaluation in order to know the current situation. Also, we need to conduct a pay survey. Now, when we have a pay structure, we have to create some pay policies to be used within the organization. This may impact the individual pay through the performance appraisal, the annual performance appraisal. Then we need to implement the new system, and we have to communicate and monitor as well. Now, the job analysis contains two parts: the job description and job specification. And this can help to know about the duties and responsibilities will be covered by a specific job, and also the quality of the people engaged in that job. So this is necessary to set a rational pay structure for a specific position. Now, the job evaluation, the systematic determination of the relative worth of job within an organization, might include method of job evaluation. We have the ranking method that may rank the position within an organization. We have also the classification method, the factor comparison, which is the most commonly used, and the point method, which is very popular as well. Now, the quantitative job evaluation method is a factor comparison job evaluation. So, in order to conduct this method or this model, first we need to obtain job information, then select key benchmark jobs, rankings, job by factor, distribute wage rates by factor, rank key jobs according to wage assigned to each factor, compare the two sets of ranking to screen out unusual key jobs, construct the job comparison scale, and use the job comparison scale when you finish all the process. But if you prefer to use the point method of job evaluation, which is going to be reviewed on session 3, first we need to determine cluster of job to be evaluated. Then we need to collect job information, select compensable factor, define compensable factor, define factor degrees, and determine relative values of factors. Now, the job evaluation method ranking, as its name sounds, ranking each job relative to all other jobs, usually based on some overall factor. In order to conduct the ranking method, we need to obtain job information, select and group jobs, select compensable factor, rank jobs, and combine rating. Raters categorize jobs into groups or classes of jobs that are roughly the same value for pay purposes. Classes contain similar jobs. Grades are jobs that are similar in difficulty but otherwise different. Jobs are classed by the amount or level of compensable factor they contain. When you develop a pay survey, you must include finding or select employers with comparable jobs, determine jobs to be surveyed, decide what information is needed, and conduct the surveys in order to obtain valuable information. Now, the pay structure. The common pay structure may include hourly and salary through, pay structure within office, plant, technical, professional, managerial, clerical, information, technology, professional, supervisory, management, and executive. Now, the factors that affect remuneration pay structure might be external, the labor market, the cost of living, the society, the economy, geographic location. But when we talk about the internal factor, the internal perspective, we need to focus on business strategies, job evaluation and performance appraisal, and the employees as well as the kind of business. Now, when an organization needs to establish a pay structure, first of all, might consider the job evaluation results, the pay survey data results, develop market line, identify different pay structure within the organization, establish a pay grade systems, and revise pay grades and ranges as needed. When you have all this information, then you have to compute pay range and compare the current pay to pay ranges in a period of time. Well, this is all for the moment, and we will expand, or we will grow this information in session number 3. Thank you for your attention.